So I am sitting here with Carolyn from Winston-Salem. We're down here in Daytona, Florida, Daytona Beach. Actually, destination Daytona. Daytona's a ways south of here, right? So Carolyn stopped by to let me know that she has tried a bunch of other things and nothing quite works like her wild ass, right?
Right. I have tried the gel seed and the sheepskin and lots of different kinds of things, and the wild ass is the best.
We like that. So thank you for stopping by. Thanks for sharing a little bit of your story with us. And we hope you guys get a chance to stop and see us.
Well, I ride a lot, so I use it a lot.
Do you?
I'm a rider. This is my 6th Harley, so I put a lot of miles on a motorcycle.
Nice. Are you a motor maid? Oh, we got to get you into that program.
No, I don't think
so. Carolyn rides a lot, uses her wild ass, and loves it. Thank you for stopping by, Carolyn.
Okay, thank you.